365 Advanced Tutorials. Tutorial 1, Virtual Tours Settings tab. Go to the List Tours page, and click the Edit Virtual Tour button, and click the Settings tab. On the General panel, you can set the following: name, author, language, description, category, auto-rotate speed, auto-rotate inactivity, Google Analytics tracking ID, Facebook page ID, WhatsApp number, chat, and autoplay audio. On the Transition panel, we can set the following on the Virtual Tours Room Transition. There are a variety of effects that we can apply to the transition effect. We can set the number of transition duration and transition zoom time in milliseconds. We can also set the transition zoom level and enable or disable the transition loading icon. Enabling or disabling the same azimuth it is used to maintain the same direction with regard to north while navigating between rooms. Enabling or disabling click anywhere it is used to allow you to click near the marker and go to the corresponding room. Enabling or disabling hide markers it is used to hide all markers. On the Keyboard Controls panel, enabling or disabling the keyboard's controls. On the Performance panel, we can set the viewer quality. Lower value means faster view but low quality. A higher value means high quality but the slower view. We can also set a number on Compress Images quality and on Max Width Panorama in pixels. Enabling or disabling preloading of panoramas, multi-resolution, and regenerate panoramas. After the changes on the settings, click the Save button to save and update the changes.